PLC program for training of a robotic arm to remember different position, different length. This is a program in the Delta PLC for training the robotic arm to remember the different readings, different location where it will function. This is the program, and this is the robotic arm. Now it is not program. You can see this. It is 0 in the robotic memory. It is 0. But now I will show you. It will rotate freely now. If I press this sensor button or button, this is the PLC. Now I will press this button. It will rotate freely. See this. This robotic arm will rotate freely. It will not stop. It will rotate. See this. Now I will program it to certain position. To go to certain position, see this K0, D410 is 0. Now I will give him some memory to remember the position. This is the encoder. I am training this robot. To remember some positions. You can see this is the encoder. Rotary encoder, and I will rotate it, you can see, and I am training this robot to remember the locations. Now see this robot's arm is stop here. Now you can see on the laptop screen D410 now 0. Now I am giving him some reading. Near about 500. Now 410, you can see. I am going to train it. You can see. Now value will increase. Now it become near about 500. Now it will rotate half rotation. See this? Only half rotation it is rotating, not full. See this, I am pressing, it will rotate half rotation only. Now I will train it to rotate to full rotation. You can see the value will change and it will remember the value. You can see 410 value. I am giving him the robotic arm one full rotation. Now I will give him. See this, you can see 410 will change. Now it will rotate full rotation. See this, if I press, this is full rotation. Now I will give him and train the robot to rotate to one full rotation and half rotation more. So it will increase now. See this, the value will increase. This is the training for the robotic arm. We have to train the robotic arm first to different locations and it will rotate accordingly. Now you can see. And now see this. Now it will rotate. One rotation complete and half rotation. See this? This one complete and this half. This one complete and this half. Now I will train it for 3 rotations. 3 complete rotations to the robotic arm, or 3.5. No problem. Now I will make 3.5 rotations. Now I can see it will rotate 3.5 rotations. 1, 2, see this? Now you can see 3.5 rotation. Now it will stop. See this? See this? This is the training of robotic arm. This is the Delta PLC. This is the sensor and push button. This push button bell switch, bell button. I am using bell buttons instead of sensor. And now this is the driver, and this is the robotic arm motor, stepper motor. Now see this. This is the program. Now see this, it will rotate and stop to the correct position. Now I will change this, and now I delete all the value, and now it will rotate freely. It will not stop. See this? It is rotating freely. It will not stop. Now I am again training it for rotating to some certain value. See, half rotation, quarter rotation. I am giving the value of quarter rotation only. See this? Quarter rotation. See this, quarter rotation. It will rotate quarter only. See this? Only quarter rotation. The robotic arm will rotate only quarter. If I program it for the half rotation, it will rotate half. See this half rotation. See this, it will rotate half only. See the half rotation. Now I will program it for one complete rotation. See this, now this is half rotation. Now I will program it for one complete rotation. This is the training of robotic arm. Now see this, it will rotate one complete rotation. See this? This is the trained robot. Now I trained the robot to rotate one complete rotation. See this? Using Delta PLC and this driver and this stepper motor and this small laptop, very small laptop. You can see. Also you can see on the PLC light it is working.